Tehillim 53. For the chief musician, to the tune of Ma'alat. A contemplation by David. The fool has said in his heart, "There is no Elohim." They are corrupt, and have done abominable iniquity. There is no one who does good. Elohim looks down from heaven on the children of men, to see if there are any who understood, who seek after Elohim. Every one of them has gone back. They have become filthy together. There is no one who does good, no, not one. Have the workers of iniquity no knowledge, who eat up my people as they eat bread, and don't call on Elohim? There they were in great fear, where no fear was, for Elohim has scattered the bones of him who encamps against you. You have put them to shame, because Elohim has rejected them. Oh, that the Yeshua of Yisrael would come out of Zion. When Elohim brings back his people from captivity, then Yaakov shall rejoice, and Yisrael shall be glad.